What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Zilliqa, which has pumped up just a tiny bit. As you can see, 5% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below the 3 cents target. So we're going to be looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Is Zilliqa a crypto worth investing into? And if so, what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Can it potentially hit 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, so on and so on? And looking at, is it a good time to buy it right now, or should you wait for it to drop further? Or is it a good time to sell it right now, or should you just hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and covering both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and we can see the market is up just about 0.08%, nothing too major. And we've got Zilliqa as one of the top gainers. In the last hour, it has dropped a percentage. Over the last day, 4% up. Over the week, once again, 4% again. And over the month, a massive 60%, with a major peak here on the 8th of January. But ever since then, it has been gaining value at a slow and steady pace. So at the moment, it is 60% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 16% in the last 24 hours, making it $73 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money currently being traded on Zilliqa. However, it has dropped about 16%. Only reason for that is there hasn't been much movements value-wise on Zilliqa over the last week or so, but right now it is slowly starting to pump up, so we are going to see more people investing into it, and a lot of the trading volume will go higher over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Zilliqa at 0.02515. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.02901, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. And as you guys can see, it's very close to the 3 cents target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, guys, we do have the blue and the orange line heading towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect from Zilliqa over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Zilliqa to be trading over the 3 cents target. Again, it is going to be a minimal increase in value, nothing too crazy, and again, in between that time, it is likely to drop down as well. It's going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive direction. So heading above the 3 cents target by midday tomorrow is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking bullish. We've got the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. So once again, guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Zilliqa over the coming days. So let's say over the next week or so, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Zilliqa to be trading around the 0.035 to 4 cents is what I'm expecting. We're going to have to take it slowly here, guys. I don't want to say it's going to hit 5 or 6 cents, because even though it may, we want it to go for a slow and steady increase in value over the coming days. And again, that also does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's going to drop, green days when it's going to pump, but This just means that the green days are going to overcome the red days, meaning an overall positive outcome is likely to take place by the end of this week and early next week as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we are still looking bullish, still looking positive. However, we're not looking as steep as the previous chart. Only reason for that is this is over the long run, so over the next couple of weeks. So let's say by mid-March to late March 2023, I'm expecting Zilliqa to be trading around the 7 to 8 cents target, potentially heading to 10 cents is what I'm expecting, but again, it's very unlikely it's going to hit the 10 cents target, but 7 to 8 cents by late March, and hopefully in April, May, we should be able to head towards the 10 cents target and potentially even hitting the 10 cents target by mid-year this year. But again, as you guys know, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, especially with the crashes and pumps and bull runs. These things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Zilliqa, but the whole crypto market in general. Anything like that which I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target here to head into the green zone, we're going to have to hit 7 cents in target, which I did mention is possible by late May 2023. So hopefully we should be heading towards the resistance target here over the next 6 to 8 weeks and potentially break out from this target here, head into the green zone towards very late May or mid-April. We should potentially be heading into the green zone and trading there, and even higher than that by mid-year, and potentially towards the very end of the year, guys, we should either be in the dark blue zone or in the top tier level. But again, it all depends on how Zilliqa in specific performs, if they've got any partnerships coming up or any deals or updates or news that can potentially have an impact on the value of Zilliqa. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what is the highest figure you guys predict Zilliqa to be hitting in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen both positive and negative comments around this crypto. And especially in my previous Zilliqa updates, a lot of you guys have been saying it's a pump and dump token. Others have been saying, you know what, it's going to hit the dollar mark easily this year. Even though, yes, the dollar mark, we've got a long way to go, we're going to have to first focus on the 10 cents target, which we can hopefully hit by mid-year. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So please, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.